Video on.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Where are you all? Only Advait has turned on his video. Where is Ayan, Mohammed? Okay, great.
Good
So,
morning, ma'am.
I heard that there was very less attendance yesterday. Good morning.
No one was
Most
there.
of-
Me, Ayan, and Mohammed were the only people there.
Shiza was also there, no?
And Shiza.
There
And
were
Shiza. I
five.
forgot Shiza.
There were five, ma'am. Five.
Okay. So, it's okay if you were absent, but did you all just watch the videos? Did you all saw the videos of active and passive voice? Fatima is acting surprised. She forgot to watch the videos, it seems. Yes?
Oh, I watched the video.
You watched the video. Okay, very good. Who else?
Ma'am, we have watched
Everyone
that
watched the
video several
videos?
times.
You have
Yes,
watched
ma'am.
it
I saw
several
it.
times. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
before you only showed it.
yeah, I showed you. I, purposely sent those videos again, especially the sentence one, the examples one, so that you can understand which tense and which linking verbs they are using in that tense. Where you have to use been, where you don't have to use been. Am been, is been, are been. So are been, you don't use that way, right? With has, have, had, you use been. So it depends on the tenses. So who has written those sentences in the notebook? If not, we'll first write those sentences in the notebook. How many of you have written it in the notebooks? Raise your hands. Digitally. Come on, raise your hands quickly.
No one.
No one? Oh, Tabish has written.
Ma'am, what that to write?
Okay. So I am talking about,
She wasn't
I sent,
present yesterday.
but I told you to keep it in the group and message everyone to, just write down those sentences. Okay, no worries. First, let's start with that only then today. Adit, you also have not written?
Written what?
Those sentences from the video. Okay, your silence is telling me you have not written. Okay, no worries. We'll write it down. Wait a second. Or shall I play the video and you will write it down?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. You write it.
Okay, wait. Even I need to open the video. Okay, you're there.
Ma'am, should we write it and post this in Google Classroom?
Yes, you can do that because those who are absent today, so they will get an idea. They can also write it in their notebooks.
Okay.
what you all are going to do is when you write the sentence in active voice, so just underline the verb. For example, I do my homework. So the verb here is which? Who will tell me?
Present.
Okay, yeah, the tense is present. Which is the verb here? I do my homework.
I do.
Do. Do is your verb. I is your subject. First, let me write this down on this page, then I will explain it. Don't just copy it. Read it while you are copying it and try to understand what you are writing. Okay, first write this much.
Done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Those who have done, just write it in the chat box. Come on, those who are left, quickly write it down so I can start explaining them. As of the exercises that we have, in case if we are not able to complete that today, if we focus our time on explanation throughout, that's also fine. You will be able to do it afterwards, but right now just focus on whatever I'm explaining. Once you get to know the concept, then you will be able to do the exercises by yourself. Come on, Shiza, quick, hurry up. Okay, shall I start with the explanation? Most of you are done.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so see, first we'll talk about present simple tense. Do is your verb in that, right? You are doing something, that is your verb. And any action, whenever you do any action, those are called as verbs. For example, talking, drinking, dancing, running, anything. So all those are actions. You're doing any action. So that those are called as action verbs. Now there are other types of verbs. That day I explained you. Anyone remembers apart from action verbs?
Adverbs.
No. Adverbs are something that describe verbs. I'm asking type. Okay. Anyone else would like to give it a try?
What, ma'am?
Apart from action verbs, which are the other types of verbs that help you in linking the sentences?
Conjunction.
Okay. Linking verbs. Linking verbs. Okay. What are the linking verbs? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, and had. Wait a second. All these are linking verbs. They help you. They help the action verbs to form a sentence. For example, if I say Shumala is dancing, so I'm using dancing as the action verb. Shumala is the subject. Subject is someone who does the action. So who is
And
doing the action?
is the linking verb.
Linking verb, yes. Who is doing the action? Shumala is doing the action. So she will become the subject there. Shumala is dancing. Okay. And one more example, if I say, okay, Saqib is,
Advait is riding.
yes,
His
Advait
bicycle.
is riding. Okay. So if I only say Advait is riding, so
No, ma'am,
Advait is the
no.
subject
I
there.
was wrong. Advait is riding his tricycle.
Okay. Now wait. So if I only say Advait is riding, so what will I mean by that? Advait is the person
Clap
who is
for
doing
you.
the action. He's doing the action, right? So he will become the subject there. Is your linking verb, and riding is again is the action. It is the action that is doing. That will count as an action verb.
Action verb.
Okay, yes. Now, if I say, what is he riding? For example, if I make a full sentence, of course, this this sentence is also making sense. Advait is riding. But if I say Advait is riding a bicycle.
His tricycle.
Okay, a bicycle, a tricycle, whatever. Okay, I am focusing. No, I'm not focusing on making a mimicry out of it. Okay, so Advait is riding a tricycle. Okay, so now I have my subject, that is Advait, who is doing the action. Now I have my object also in the sentence, who is receiving the action. Who is receiving the action? Who will tell me what is the object there?
Bicycle. Tricycle.
Tricycle. Okay, that is the object in the sentence. Fatima, Shakib, did you understand? Sayyad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is your object. Okay, your tricycle is your object there. So now any object is anything that, you know, on which we are doing the action. The person who is doing the action, or any noun or pronoun that is doing the action. So for example, here we have I do my homework. I is not a noun, it is a pronoun, right? So, but that is also a subject. Subject can be noun or pronoun. Object is something which is receiving the action. So who is receiving the action? The tricycle is receiving the action. Here the homework is receiving the action. Okay. So the rule says in active and passive voice, usually in normal sentences, the subject comes in the starting of the sentence and the object comes in the end of the sentence. Okay. But the rule of active and passive voice says that when we convert active voice to passive voice, the object, wait a second, wait. The object will come in the starting of the sentence and the subject will go in the end of the sentence. Those who have understood will show me a thumbs up. At least till this much. Come on.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is
No,
breaking.
it's perfect. It's
Oh.
perfect.
Tabish, just turn off your video for some while. Okay. Sakib, Fatima, Shiza, Mohammed, come on. I did not see your thumbs up. If you haven't understood, you can you should unmute and tell me you haven't. We are here for learning. Okay. Okay, Advait, understood? Tabish? Tabish, shall I explain again?
Yeah, yeah.
No, ma'am, I understand.
Okay. Okay, so here now we'll go according to the tenses. Okay, I do my homework. Now, as you said, do is your action verb. You're doing some action. Okay, I is your subject. Okay. If you want to write, you can write all this down, action verbs and linking verbs. It is up to you. It is better you write it down. Subject is someone who is doing the action. Up to wait. And object is receiving the action. Okay, just a second. Now here, I do my homework. So as I is our subject and homework is our object, what will we do? We'll bring the object in the starting just to convert it into passive voice and the subject in the end. So my homework is done by me. Now, why are we not using being here? Because it is not continuous tense. ing, being, B-E-I-N-G, being. That being will always be used with continuous tenses. Okay, so first, whenever you read a question, you have to decide which tense the question is in, which tense the sentence is following. Okay, and according to the tense, you will convert it. Okay, if it is present simple tense and if you write my homework is being done by me, wrong. Okay, my homework is done by me. Simple, present simple tense is there. So my homework is done by me. That's it. But if you're talking about present continuous tense, the sentence is in present continuous tense. For example, I am doing my homework. So now you have the verb, action verb. Which is action verb here? Come on. Yes, Sakib, speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Let Sakib try. Sakib, which is the action verb here?
Also, yeah, asking to random person. What is
No, no,
the action verb?
Yeah, I am asking Sakib, which is the action verb in this sentence. Okay. Yes, Sakib, speak. I am doing my homework. In this sentence, which is the action verb? If in present simple tense it was do, so then in
Can
present
I-
continuous,
Doing.
which will
Can I-
doing. Yes, very good. Yes, Mohammed, you tell me which is the subject in this sentence.
My homework. Homework.
Subject is someone who is doing the action. Who is doing the action here?
I am.
I. Okay. So I is your subject. Okay.
An
Fatima.
object is receiving.
Okay. Yes. Object is someone who is receiving the action. Okay. It might not be a noun. Okay. It can be anything. Fatima.
Yes, I think it's a non-living thing.
Yes. Most of the times it's a non-living thing. But okay. Actually, things also count under noun. So it might be a person
they are
also.
non-living.
Yeah. It might be a person also. Person can also be an object. Okay. Fatima, what is the object here? Okay, she's connecting her audio. She might not be listening to me. Okay, wait just a second. We'll ask to Shumela. Yes, Shumela.
Ma'am, what were you telling? I can't hear you properly.
I am doing my homeworks, which is an object in this sentence.
I am
Doing my homework. The sentence is written, right, in present continuous. So which is the object in this sentence? Object is someone receiving the action. Who is receiving the action here?
homework.
Homework. Okay. So homework is your. Okay, Fatima, try rejoining again from another device. Wait,
Mohammed,
check
lower
on-
your hand.
Just a second. Okay, so now when we convert this into passive voice, what will we write? My homework, it is the object, it will come in the starting of the sentence, is being done by me. Why are we using being?
Me is the subject.
Yes, me is the subject. Yes, so that will become the object now, opposite. Okay, subject has become the object and object has become the subject. Okay, wait. I hope you're not getting confused here. This is the subject.
We are not getting confused, man. It's
Okay.
so easy.
This is the object. Okay. Now this is the subject here, opposite, and this is the object. Okay. And why are we using being? Because we are looking at the verb. The verb is in present continuous tense. Doing is in present continuous tense. That's why while we write, my homework is being done by me. Okay. We'll use ing form. Now, if we talk about past simple, I did my homework. Now, looking at the verb, which is the verb here? Come on, Mohammed.
In which
Yes, ma'am.
sentence?
I did my homework.
Ma'am, did.
Did. Okay, did is your verb. Your verb is in past tense. So now, when you write it in passive voice, again, the rule will be same. My homework. So now we'll use a linking verb from the past tense. Was, were is for past tense, right? These linking verbs are used for past tense. My homework was done by me. Okay. Now, if we talk about past continuous, I was doing my homework. Come on, now Syed will tell me. Syed, which is the object in this sentence? Syed is there or he left? He's there.
Yes, ma'am. Homework, ma'am.
And verb?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay. So doing is your action verb and was is your linking verb. Okay. And homework is your object. Okay.
Yes.
Very good, Syed. So now if you convert it into passive voice, my homework was being done by me. Why again we use being here? We did not use it in past simple because we are talking about continuous tense. Even our verb, action verb is in continuous tense here, ing form, doing, was doing my homework. So my homework was being done by me. Okay. So did you see the, if we notice this minor thing, even the, wait a second, linking verb is changing. Here it is done, is being done. Here it is was done, was being done. Why? Because it is changing according to the tenses. Is, am, are is for present tense, was, were is for past tense. So I will request you to just write this down. If you don't know what are linking verbs, if you don't know what is subject and object, you can face some problem for understanding this. Have you written all of this on the board? Everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All of you? Okay. So now I will, wait a second. Now we'll continue writing with the other tenses. Okay, just a second.
You have to write this.
Yes, yes. Mohammed. Quickly note it down.
Done, ma'am. I was with you.
Okay, great. Okay, everyone done? Writing is done? Some of you are writing still. Come on. Those who have done, they will
Done.
write done in the chat box.
Done.
Okay. Sayyid Mohammed Shiza.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So I assume most of you, all of you have done it. Okay. Now talking about present perfect tense. I have done my homework. So now have, has and had. Okay. Now they will interchange. So usually have and has, they can interchange. Had will remain had only. I have done my homework. So my homework has been done by me. Okay. So when we talk about have, has and had, there usually with all the sentences in the passive voice, we will use been. Why? Because we are talking about perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect. Okay. It will consist of has been, had been. So we have to notice that if somewhere we are getting has or have or had in the sentence, so then while we convert it into passive voice, been will come. Okay. I have done my homework. Now here I is your subject. Homework is again same. That is your object. Done is your what? It is an action that you're doing. So it is in present perfect tense. It is action. And have is your linking verb. Okay. My homework has been done by me. So have been is converting into, it is converting into has been. And when we talk about past perfect, I had done my homework. Had done my homework. And now when we convert it into passive voice, so my will come first. My homework is your object that has now converted to become your subject because of passive voice. Had been done by me. Okay. Had been done. Again, here we'll use had been. So had done will change into had been done. And lastly, future simple tense. I will do my homework. So now you are promising that you will do your homework in the future. So do. I will do my homework. My homework will be done by me. Will be done by me. Okay, again, in future simple tense also we are using be. So ing in continuous tenses, being in continuous tenses, been when we talk about present perfect or past perfect, and in simple future tense we'll use be because it is simple. So we'll use be in its original base verb form. Okay, understood everyone? Today, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So will we be able to, everybody has written, right? I am erasing. Wait, I will stop. Who is writing?
I'll give it to Mohammed, ma'am.
Okay, take a screenshot.
Done.
Done? Mohammed?
Yes.
Okay. So now as we have these exercises, note down the page number. So you all can do it. See in the PDF, it is page number 80. Now you have to look at the tense and then write. First you look at the tense and then you will convert the active voice into the passive voice. For example, here. So now in this first we have this first sentence, we have the second sentence also. In this second sentence, usually, see, it is a bit confusing. Heavy rain flattened every plant. Now, which tense is this sentence is? This sentence is in which tense?
Past tense.
Okay. He says past tense. Who else? Anybody else thinks this is in present tense or future tense? Yes, anyone? Okay. So this is in past tense. See, can you see the word which is the verb here? It is flattened. Right? Flattened.
Yes.
So ed, you have ed here. So that is your past tense. The verb is in past tense, means the sentence is in past tense. Okay. The school chef makes delicious cakes. The sentence is in which tense?
Ma'am, present.
Present. Correct. Present tense. Why present tense? Because makes, you're making something. That is your action. That is your verb. So makes is your, it is in present tense. So the sentence is in present tense. The boys had cleaned all the classrooms. Come on, who will try this? Which tense? Okay. To be more specific, past perfect. Had cleaned it is, right? Past perfect. Yes. Everyone at the school loves holidays. Which tense?
Present tense.
Present tense. Yes. So holidays are loved by everyone at the school. That this is your passive voice you will have out of this sentence. Okay. As holidays are in plural form, so we'll use are, will not use is. I hope that is the basic thing that is clear with everyone. Is for singular, are is for plural, and am will always go with that. So holidays are loved by everyone at the school. Now here, first everyone was your subject. Now everyone is your object in the passive voice. First holidays were your object. Now holidays are in the starting, so they have become your subject. Okay. Did everyone understand
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
convert active into passive? Looking at tenses, how to understand which tense the sentence is in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know right now. Anyone?
No, ma'am.
All clear, everyone? Okay. So these three exercises, A, B, and C. As today I have explained the concept, try doing these three exercises in a paper, okay, and send it to me on Classroom app. I'm right now, just after the class, I'm creating an assignment or something. It's not an assignment, it's just homework. So you can, you will be able to comment on that. You will be able to send your work. Okay. So by tomorrow, because this is fresh today, I have explained the topic today itself. So you can once again revise the topic. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. By tomorrow, I want you all to do these three exercises on a paper and then just send a photo to me. Okay. If you have any doubts while doing the exercises, this one, Mohammed. Wait, this one. These three, A, B, and C. Okay. In the C1, you just have to change the form of the verb. Take, find, open, send, close. Just have to change the form. But in A and B, you have to you have to write in passive voice, and the B is already written in passive voice. You have to convert into active. The bag was found on the bus by Anton. So what will be the active voice for this? Yes, who will tell me? The bag was found on the bus by Anton.
Anton found a bag that was in the bus.
Okay. Anton found the bag.
Found a bag, ma'am.
Wait. But you are talking about the specific bag here right now, which was on the bus, which was found on the bus. So you'll use the. Anton found the bag on the bus. Okay. So now if you see this active voice, if you convert it into passive, it is making proper sense. Just check it, recheck it. The bag was found by Anton. The bag was found on the bus by Anton. Okay.
Anton found the bag on the bus. This is making.
Yes. So this is the way you will convert each and every sentence. Okay. See here, one more sentence is there. The front of the school was hidden by trees. What can be the active voice of this? The front of the school was hidden by trees. So trees is your object here. So the first motive should be that you have to make it as the subject.
The trees were hiding the front of the school.
Excellent.
Yes.
The trees were hiding the front of the school. Okay. So when you see a sentence, if it is passive voice, you have to change the rule. Subject will become object, object will become subject. And when you have to convert from passive to active, again, rearrange. Okay. So if you understand where the placement of subject and object will be, eventually you will be able to make the sentence. Okay. Just take care of the tenses. Okay, then the time is already up. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is the last day. Try joining up before the vacations and try sending me all the work.
No, we
Ma'am,
won't join. What do you
Tell this
expect?
to Syed.
Okay, we'll try to do something interesting tomorrow. This is for everyone. Okay.
The speech is going to be there, right?
Yes. And after that, we'll
Okay,
try to
ma'am.
play Kahoot also. So I'm requesting Advait to
Ma'am,
be
you'll
ready
also
for
play,
that.
right? You'll
Advait
also
has to
play,
be
right?
ready for that. Okay, we'll not waste time like last time.
You will also play, right?
Yes. Okay. Bye,
We don't have
everyone.
a choice.